Hey guys, welcome back to Robu. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And today in this video, we will be announcing the winners for the giveaway that we did last week. So if you don't remember, we were giving away 6 Raspberry Pi products to 6 winners. There'll be a winner for the first prize, 1 winner for the first prize, 2 winners for the second prize, and 3 winners for the third prize. So the first prize winner will be getting a Raspberry Pi 4 kit, entire kit with the keyboard, the mouse, everything. The second prize, both of them will be getting a Raspberry Pi 4 2GB each, and the third prize, all 3 of them will be getting a Raspberry Pi Pico each. So yeah, hope you all have entered and had fun, and the winners for this giveaway are... So yeah, congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much for everybody who participated in this giveaway. To the winners, we'll be contacting you through email or through your social media handles, so keep an eye on that, and we'll be delivering the products very soon. And to everyone who didn't win, we will be coming up with many more giveaways as such, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. And also leave down in the comment section what type of videos would you want us to make, or what type of a giveaway would you want us to do next. And yeah, that's been it. Subscribe if you already haven't, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.